Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. So Monday again, let's do some market analysis. So this is the chart of Nifty. As we always analyze, we start our analysis with the Nifty. So in the last session, we have analyzed that after this bar, either prices should gap up, or they should spike down and do something like this, or they should consolidate and then break down if they really have to start the down move. However, nothing of that has happened. And in fact, we have seen a gap down market today. In the beginning, it was quite positive. So the 5-minute chart, you can see there are a couple of areas where it has given the chance to go long intraday. To me, this was one of the areas. However, after gap up opening, prices, they made a fluid move. However, as soon as they reached to this, resistance area in this hourly time frame, the sellers became active, and prices couldn't able to break it. So in short, we are still in the uptrend because we are still above the moving average. This was just one day where it just let me just clean it. So this was just one day which closed below the moving average. We are above it. We are above the major support area. So let's see what happened tomorrow. My expectation is that if it will spend some time here in the evening, there are chances that it can just break the resistance. If that would be the case, we will find the right pattern to go long. Or if the sellers become more active and they control the market and prices couldn't be able to sustain here and they start moving down, then probably will wait for the right pattern to go short. Apart from that, let's analyze what Bank Nifty is doing. That is the another area. That is the another market which is widely followed, and we should also have an eye on this sectoral index. So let's just clean this up. Yeah. So Bank Nifty, almost same pattern. After this dip, we gapped up. However, one thing that I can see different in Bank Nifty is that we still have plenty of room to the upside. So we could see some reaction when prices will come to this area. I think if they would be able to either gap up or sustain this resistance area, they would definitely go to the upside. So that's about it. Let's see where the other US and European market close tonight, and probably in the morning we would be able to see analyze more clearly that where the market would make its step forward. So that's in this analysis. If you have any comment, please paste them in the below comment box. Till then, bye. See you next time. Bye for now.